hung up in my face. So, I mean, I was wondering why'd you call me back? Well, if I was doing that and you hung up in my face, then why'd you call me back?
I'm tired of you sitting there fucking making fun of me. Why are you doing this?
I'm so sorry.
I'm
so excited. Oh God. I'm in trouble. What are you gonna do? Spank me? Listen, dude, if you ain't gonna talk to me, then I'm gonna get off the phone now. I said mish, 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 mish. I'm gonna check my temperature. Checking my temperature. On the temperature today. It did not say. 100.0. You wanna see? Look. Ooh, 100.0.